Greetings esteemed viewers, welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on Microsoft Excel's XLOOKUP function. Today we embark on a journey into the depth of Microsoft Excel's most versatile and wonderful function, that is the XLOOKUP function. Excel's XLOOKUP function is a modern and flexible replacement for older functions like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. We will be discussing how to use this function and benefits of using this function in comparison to the older versions of lookup functions with the help of practical examples. If you're really interested in comprehensively understanding XLOOKUP function, this video is for you. So don't go away and watch this video till end. So let's start learning it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Before moving towards the practical examples, let's first understand the syntax of the XLOOKUP function. Its syntax is XLOOKUP, bracket start, lookup value, lookup array, return array, and then the optional arguments. The first required argument is the lookup value. This is the value that you want to find in the lookup array. The second thing is the lookup array. Lookup array is a range of array where you want to search for the lookup value. The third required argument is the return array. The return array is a range or array from which you want to retrieve the corresponding value. Among the optional argument, first is the if not found. If not found is actually the message that will appear if the lookup value is not found in the array. The next is the match mode. Excel provides us multiple options for this argument. For 0, it is the exact match, which is the default value. The next is the 1. 1 stands for the exact or the next smaller item. -1 is for exact or next larger item. 2 is for wildcard match that allows you to use the wildcard for partial matching. The last optional argument is the search mode. If we write 1 in our function, then it means that the Excel will search it from first to last, and if we write -1, it means that the Excel will search it from last to first. This is the data that we will be using for understanding the XLOOKUP function. The data is about the population-wise distribution of the various cities across the globe, in which we have the ranking number, city name, country, and the population. So for example, if we want to search it with the help of city name, then I will write equal and then XLOOKUP, bracket start, and first I have to select the lookup value. The lookup value will be written in the cell above it. So I will select this cell, then I will put comma, and then I have to select the lookup array. So the city names are written in this B column. So I select this column, then comma, and then I have to select the return array. Return array is actually the name that I want to get. So I want to get the country name that is in the column C. So I select this column. So we have selected all the required arguments for this function. Now I am closing this bracket and press enter. Now if I want to search any name from this list, I can write the city name over here. Like I want to search Osaka, so I will write Osaka over here and then press enter. So you can see that it is giving me the country name. Now I will copy this formula. After copying the formula, now I am going to paste it in the population cell. So I will write equal and then paste this formula. Instead of selecting the country as a return array, this time I will select the population. After selecting this, I am going to press enter. So now it is giving me the population. To get the ranking, again I am going to paste the same formula over here. So I will write equal and then control V, and now because I want to get ranking, so my return array would be the column A. So I am going to select this column A. After selecting it, I am going to press enter, and now you can see that it is giving me the ranking. This is the difference between the VLOOKUP function and the XLOOKUP function because it can search on its left, whereas VLOOKUP can only search on its right. As you can see that we are searching it with the help of city name and the ranking is on its left, and we can search it with the help of XLOOKUP function. Now if I change the city name to Lahore, it will give me the data about the Lahore. So you can change the city name and get the required data. Now let's move to our second example. This is the sales data of different salesmen in the year 2021, 2022 and 2023, and we want to search it with the help of different names. We also wanted to get the total sale. For example, if I want to search the sale of first salesman, that is John Smith, I will write the name over here and I will get the total sale over here. So how I can get this total sale using the XLOOKUP function, let's learn it. For this purpose, I am going to write formula of XLOOKUP function, that is equal XLOOKUP bracket start, and first I have to select the lookup value, that is the name. After this I am going to put comma, and now I have to select the lookup array. I am going to select all the names, comma, then I have to select the return array. So return array is the sales 2021, 2022 and 2023 because I want to get the total sale. So first I am going to select the sale of first year, then I am going to put plus sign, then I will select the second year sale, again I will write plus, and now I will select the sale of the third year. After this I am going to put comma, and in inverted comma I am going to write not found. This is actually the message that will appear whenever someone search a name which is not included in our data. After this I am going to close this bracket and press enter. So now you can see that it is giving me the message that is not found because we have misspelled the Smith name. We have to correct the spelling to get the result. So when we correct the name, you can see that the total sale of the John Smith over here. If I change this name to some other name, like I am writing Sarah Brown, it will give me the sale of this salesman. So I can change the name and get the total sales over here. And there you have it, the XLOOKUP function demystified. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are as excited as I am about the possibilities with these functions. Don't forget to drop a comment below if you have any question or suggestions for future tutorials. I love hearing from you and helping you learning Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all for joining me today. Your support means the world to me. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep crunching those numbers and making Excel work for you. Goodbye for now and happy excelling.